Just to say I love you, even though you lose the car keys all the time, think snoring loudly is a crime. Drag me round the shops all day when I'd rather be watching my team play. Spend hours on Facebook with your mates, gossiping and staying up late. Beat me to the morning shower, then keep it running for an hour. Text me 20 times a day when there's really nothing new to say. Tell me my beer gut's getting bigger, but scream if I comment on your figure. Think my jokes are awful lame, but oh, I love you just the same. To Sarah, good morning beautiful, can't wait for our big day. I promise that I'll always take good care of you. See you soon my wife to be, Mrs Stubbs, love you.